Alright guys, here we are back at the welding table. I think zoom out a little bit, maybe. Hopefully that's a good enough position for you. And we shall get started. Oh, let's see. Let's flip this around so I can kind of see what I'm filming. Now with any luck, I won't have sparks and metal flying onto my camera and destroying it. So, so this is the one I'm going to do first. Like I said, I put the bolt through there with some washers, the spacers, and the idea is to weld the nut onto the metal. So I'm going to try to get this into a position that looks good, easy access or whatever, what have you, where I can see it decently. Maybe like that. Not really sure. Let's try that. Alright. So, get the gloves on. Get the hat turned around. And let's see what we can do. Let's see, I'll turn up the settings. Oh, what happened? I think I just blew a circuit breaker. No, the light's still on. Maybe. I don't know. Those lights are still on, so I don't think it was a circuit breaker. Was it something else? Alright, I guess we'll pause the camera for a little bit. That was short-lived, huh? I'm gonna go try to find out what just happened.